Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
This guide explains how to add Face ID to your compatible iPhone quickly and securely. You need an iPhone with Face ID hardware to set up this feature. Ensure your iOS is updated to the latest version before you begin. Set a passcode first so Face ID has a fallback unlock method if needed. Sit in a well-lit area and remove sunglasses or masks that obscure your face. Keep the phone roughly 3.5 inches to 50 cm from your face while enrolling. Open Settings and tap Face ID and passcode to start the enrollment process. You will be asked to enter your passcode to continue. Follow the on-screen instructions to position your face in the circular frame. Position your face in the frame and rotate your head slowly for 2 scans that capture different angles. Keep expressions natural and hold the camera steady throughout both scans. Complete the current scan and then tap Done after the second scan finishes successfully. If Face ID fails to recognize you consistently, choose Reset Face ID and enroll again carefully. If repeated failures occur, try enrolling in a well-lit area with no strong backlight. Consider enabling Require Attention for better security against spoof attempts by others. Disable Require Attention temporarily if you wear certain glasses or need recognition at distance. Use alternate appearance to add a frequent look or accessory like a hat or heavy makeup. Keep the True Depth sensor area clean and update iOS for ongoing improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.